How you doing? Dave Barodinelli, 2025 Boston Boat Show, and today I'm going to take you through the debut of the 33 Vantage. This particular boat has the V10 400s, of course joystick control, skyhook, autopilot all built in. Here at the transom you've got a great fold-out seat. Behind here you've got a freshwater sink, nice workstation back here. You do have in-deck fish boxes, port and starboard. This particular boat has the optional refrigerator drawer. Starboard side dive door. Of course, you got a swim ladder that stores underneath. This is a completely redesigned boat, and here on the port side, you can see how nice this seat works. Full lounger facing forward, and you can do the same thing if you want, facing there with the backrest. So this is a great entertaining area. You do have a quick pop-up table here. Great for entertaining. There is another table there that stores underneath that you can screw in here. You'll notice this boat has the power sunshade here in the aft. On the starboard side, nice lounge seat here. Again, plenty of storage underneath. Additional storage under this seat here. As you come forward, port side double wide seat, both with double bolsters. Starboard side, really nice helm. This particular boat has a single 16-inch Simrad screen. You can see how everything's really nicely finished in the acrylic dash. And of course, the big difference on this 33 that replaced the 32 Vantage is going to be your full windshield. So now you have a full windshield, which is really great, especially up in the Northeast. You can very easily close this window. And you'll notice this window has a gas strut on it, so it's nice so it doesn't slam, which really works well. The other big change for the 33 Vantage is they took the head from the starboard side and they put it in the port side. So now you're going to have a small sleeping area, of course optional AC and heat. You can also get optional AC and heat here in the cockpit. And then on the port side, they've relocated the head, so you've got much more room. A lot easier access, really nicely appointed down there. This boat you can get with optional lithium batteries. There is no generator option, and the lithium batteries is a couple of packages, but that can last you up to 6 to 8 hours on the water running gyro and both air conditioning units. As we come forward to the bow, you can notice how deep this boat is. Here in the bow, you got great seating area, storage on both seats. You've got another in-deck box here that's all insulated. You've got armrests forward here, and this is really a great entertaining area. Again, notice how deep the bow is. Of course, concealed under here is going to be your optional beach boarding ladder as well as your anchor windlass. Again, this is the debut for the new 33 Boston Whaler Vantage here at the Boston Boat Show. For more information, visit us at MarineMax.com or call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.